Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. And today the global cues were good, the Asian markets were higher, US futures were higher. So on expected line, Nifty also opened higher and Bank Nifty particularly opened significantly higher, but the market came under selling pressure. And nowadays markets are slowly grinding down. Though intraday markets are moving higher, so they are being sold into and finally market close in red. And given the positive global cues, who would have thought today Nifty will be breaking yesterday's low? So yesterday's low was comfortably broken. And given the global cues, I thought yesterday's low will not be broken. And Nifty today closed below the support level of 17,760. But what is surprising, markets are making bigger moves. Bank Nifty 200 point up, then 400 point down, again 600 point up, all kinds of things. But despite that, the volatility index keep going down. So that is looking very, very surprising. And today the Bank Nifty was very volatile. Only the Kotak Bank was trading in green since morning. The rest of the banks came under selling pressure. But later in the afternoon, the HDFC Bank recovered so much from the intraday low. So that's how the Bank Nifty shot up more than 400 point from 1:30 to 3 p.m. Finally, Bank Nifty ended in green ahead of tomorrow's RBI policy. But I already told you tomorrow RBI policy, it is going to be a non-event. I think the maximum RBI will hike the rate by about 25 basis point. And of course, they have to increase because, our currency is coming under attack. So we are like closer to all-time low. So RBI will have to increase the rate to stabilize the rupee market. So FIIs have sold once again in huge quantities and 2,560 crores. That is a kind of cash market selling today, and that is really a big figure. I can say the domestic institutions have bought just only about 1/4 of it. So now you know why the markets are so weak today. In 2023, India is hugely underperforming the world markets. Since Jan 23, FIIs have sold for more than 47,000 crores. So that's almost how many billions? So 6 billion almost in just last 5 weeks. And if you take from the December beginning, that means the last 9-10 weeks, their selling is more than 60,000 crores. So that's close to 8 billion. So they are selling so much of shares in India. I do not know which shares they are selling, and they are outright bearish about Indian markets. So anyway, I thought they will change their mind after the budget, and after the budget also nothing seems to be working. They continue to sell. So now I will have to revisit my bullish view for the entire year. So because I thought Nifty will be around 20,000 to 21,000 by the end of this year, but the way FIIs are selling, I doubt whether we will go there or not. Today the lot of action was seen in ADANI stocks. And Adani Enterprise, wow, from 2 days before, from low of about 950 and today 1950, more than double. Earlier I did mention, if you can remember, as and when other Adani stocks, like Adani Transmission, Adani Power, so those stocks start trading and Adani Enterprise will come under severe short covering. Why? because those people who are holding those stocks, when it kept on hitting the lower circuit, so as an hedge, they must have taken some short position in Adani Enterprise. And today, so those stocks started trading, so they are reversing the trade. They are selling there and buying here. So that explains the super bullishness of Adani Enterprise. However, Adani Port was also bullish, but later it came under selling pressure, especially after the results came. But I don't think results are any reason for Adani stocks, right? I expected short covering in Adani Enterprise, so that has happened exactly. Adani Port will come out of the trading band tomorrow. And I think there is something called market-wide position limit. So when it crosses 95% of that, it will come under trading band. And once it has come under trading band, so the open position should fall below 80% of the market-wide position limit. So today it just came just below 80%. So therefore tomorrow that stock will be out of trading band. So any adjustments we need to do, we can do in Adani Port. So 2023 has not started well and not going well, and I think it is time to be cautious on the long side. Even the bluest of blue chip stocks like Reliance Industries, they are trading around 2,300. So its range is 2,200 to 2,800, and now it is coming to the lower end of the trading range. So if tomorrow also market is bearish, I am planning to buy some put option in Reliance. So of course this is not an invitation for you to do that. I am not an option buyer. I will not buy naked option. So I will be doing some kind of strategies using options. Something like buy 2,300, sell 2,200, spreads like that. So looking at the open interest, so I thought the way SGX Nifty was trading today morning, the pre-market open, I thought option sellers were wrong. Only when the option sellers are wrong, the market will move significantly on the higher side. But the market has shown that option sellers are right. So 17,800, 17,900, 18,000 call options added in open interest yesterday also and today also. Only difference, yesterday the people have taken 17,800 short straddle, today the people have taken 17,700 short straddle. So this shows that market is getting less bullish as of now. So let us see when these option sellers go wrong. So right now it looks like they'll be making easy money. So anyway, things can change overnight. Tonight Fed chairman will be speaking, so the markets will be focusing on his speech. So any positive, negative statement, accordingly US markets will move. Anyway, the US market has fallen for the last 2 days, so there's a possibility it may rebound. And tomorrow, once again, the first 45 minutes will be volatile because 10 a.m. the RBI policy will be there. So maybe after that, markets will decide a direction. So that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed watching the video. Thank you for watching.